So the first thing to know about digital maturity is that there's been some research that shows that organizations that are more digitally mature actually they outperform their competitors in their industries on basically every measure, right? Profitability, margins, and so on. And so if we think about how does it cash out? What is digital maturity on the ground? You can kind of separate it out into 5 different layers or facets, right? There's data infrastructure. Are they moving files around by hand, or are they ingesting data directly into a database? That kind of a thing. Then there's the data. Are they disciplined about collecting all the data? Are the data in a form where it's in the data system curated so it can be used immediately, or do you have to go in there and dig around and find the data that you need and put it together? At the third level, you have digital tools. So a lot of organizations that are doing R&D or science are really doing manual processes that were created 30, 50 years ago. And so we can give them a lot more power by introducing new digital tools instead of those manual tools. And that's not just a speed up. I mean, the speed up can be huge, 10 times, 100 times, sometimes, a lot more than that. But you also introduce new capabilities because humans are limited in how much of the data they can actually make use of in their analyses. Whereas a computer can actually, there's no limit to how much of the data it can use.